Okay, Pete, it's time to put our heads together and come up with some cooling and energy-saving ideas. So, what are yours?
I think there are two basics everyone needs to keep in mind when trying to keep a house cool: air movement and shade.
I agree. So which one do you want to start with?
Easy. Let's talk about air. In the summer, keep hot air out and cool air in. We've talked about this before, but keeping the air that you've paid to condition from escaping or being compromised by incoming hot air is key. Weather stripping, caulk, door sweeps, and other draft sealing or insulation efforts can help keep your cooling air inside. Next, ceiling fans. In cold weather, you want your ceiling fans to turn so they create an updraft to circulate warm air in the room. In the summer, you want just the opposite. They should turn so they create a downdraft and a direct cooling breeze for occupants of the room. Depending on your fan unit, this change of direction can be achieved with a remote or an app on your phone. Or you may need to flip a physical switch on the base of the unit to reverse direction. And remember, ceiling fans cool people, not rooms. Switch them off when you leave a room for even more energy savings. Portable fans are another great way to get air moving and create a cooling effect. Whether it's a tall, oscillating floor fan for the bedroom, a table fan to boost airflow in a warm kitchen, or a sleek, bladeless model to quietly cool the family room, generating a breeze can help you avoid turning down the thermostat.
Those were all great tips. Are you ready for me to throw some shade?
Take it away.
The summer sun is powerful. When it streams unchecked into our homes, it can cause our air conditioners to work much harder to overcome the increased heat. So let's talk about ways to keep the sun at bay. Window coverings. Nearly everyone has some type of window covering or curtain in place for basic privacy reasons. Using these wisely to keep out sun is just a matter of knowing when to keep them closed. The most effective curtains and shades have a light-colored or reflective backing. Adjustable blinds or roller-type shades also allow you privacy and the ability to control the amount of light and heat entering the room. One step beyond a basic window covering is a window blind that provides an insulation barrier as well. Insulated cellular shades, or honeycomb-style blinds, are made of pleated material with insulating air pockets in the cross-section. These types of shades are energy efficient and can reduce unwanted heat through windows by up to 80%. There are even smart versions available that can be set to open and close on a schedule, so you don't even have to think about it. An exterior feature you can consider installing is an awning. With many decorative and adjustable options, this window covering can allow full use of the window for indirect lighting or to keep open for ventilation while blocking the direct sunlight that's responsible for unwanted heating of your room. If you've planted trees and shrubs to provide shade, an awning can provide immediate shade while your new plants grow. Now, Pete, I have one last idea to share, and this is really cool in more ways than one. This smart tint window film can be applied to any window to reduce the impact of sunlight with the touch of a button. Now watch this.
Ooh. Whoa, that is
How cool
Yeah.
is that? When powered on, it reduces the sun's UV rays by up to 99%, and it provides solar ray reduction of up to 49%. In addition to the heating and cooling benefits, it allows you to minimize sun damage to carpets and furniture and artwork, and it's a fraction of the cost of installing smart glass windows.
That's really cool.
I love this.
Can homeowners install it themselves?
Yeah, they can. Custom kits come ready to install, and they even include some practice pieces. There are a variety of DIY options and professionally installed window tint options available from home improvement outlets. You just need to decide which one best fits with your needs and budget.
That's great to have practice devices.
Oh,
for me.
You need that, right?
For even more tips and ideas to stay cool and reduce your utility bill this summer, visit our website at powerhousetv.com.